Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the Lunar's Bingo 15.6-inch laptop backpack. This is what it looks like. I'll remove the packet now. There you go. You have a much better look at what this particular laptop backpack is going to look like. It has a black and grey color combination, as you can see. If you take a closer look at the material, there you go, you will notice that this is actually waterproof material all over. So this is a waterproof bag. This is a 48-liter bag, which basically is supposed to hold a 15.6-inch laptop very comfortably. A lot of straps here. There's a strap at the front like this one, which will help you tighten the bag when you need to. Like, you can just tighten it as much as you want, but actually, to be very fair, this is the maximum you can go, but you can loosen it as well, so that option's also there. What other things do we have over here? There are a lot of zip pouches. There's one at the front. A lot of space here. You can put some documents and smaller stuff. So let's take a look at the other pouches. So the second pouch is this one. Inside you will notice there's a lot of space here for a lot of if you want to put your chargers and other stuff here. And there's some pockets over here as well. You can put your smartphone here, you can put some notebooks, etc. If you carry such things around, you can put it over here as well. Finally, this is where the laptop is supposed to go. You don't really have a separate laptop sleeve, but you'll notice this is enough space for a 15.6-inch laptop. Although there is no laptop sleeve, I must mention the back part is padded, so the laptop will be very well protected. Same with these straps, they are well padded as well. Let me just put in a laptop and show you what it's going to look like. I have a laptop here, so I'm going to put this laptop in here like so. And notice there is quite a bit of space here. So what I will do is I will put my charger, the laptop charger, which is pretty massive, as you can see, over here as well. I'll close this one. Let's take a look at this pouch. As I mentioned earlier, a lot of stuff you can put over here. I have a headphone with me, so you can put this headphone over here. Then notice these smaller pouches. Then a lot of stationery, etc. can go in here. So say I have a small notebook. The notebook can go here. Actually, it's too small for a notebook. Let me see if I can put the smartphone in. Yes, the smartphone goes in pretty comfortably. It's not the deepest pocket, but it can definitely hold a smartphone. Also, the other pouch over here, I can put my stationery items like my pens, my sketch pens, etc. My art supplies, if you carry any such stuff. I'm going to close this. Additionally, I can also put a charger over here. So you have a USB-C type charger, so I can put this over here as well. Now you have a front pouch over here as well. This is where you can put other stuff. Say a notebook, a larger notebook like these. Or suppose you have some identification and some papers over here, you can put them over here as well. So they can be here, they can be well protected. And then you have the strap right in front, so which you can use to tighten it up and make sure that it remains secure and tight. Also notice that there are these two pouches at the side. These are basically pouches for your bottle. So if you have a water bottle, or suppose you're carrying a bottle of sanitizer around, then you can put this over here. So this is it. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Lunar's Bingo 15.6-inch laptop backpack. Thank you for watching.